Changing the email link to your Wise account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your Wise account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength check, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the Profile or Settings section of your account. Step 3. Select email preferences. Look for the option that allows you to manage your email preferences or personal information. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure it is correct. Step 5. Confirm the change. After updating your email, you may need to confirm the change by clicking a link sent to your new email address. Follow the instructions in the email to finalize the update. Once you have completed these steps, your Wise account will be linked to your new email address. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Wise customer support for assistance.